Read one of these books on Epic. I taste, sing and read, I see, sing and read, I hear, sing and read, or I smell, sing and read. Now, seesaw your teacher saying, I read, and tell her the title of the book. The main topic was, and tell her the main topic of the book. Remember, you can find the main topic from the pictures, from the words that repeat a lot, or from the title of the book. Then tell your teacher one key detail I found was, remember, the key detail needs to be like the main topic. It needs to relate to the main topic. So if the main topic of my book was pizza, my key detail would not be I love cats. The key detail would be pizza from Pizza Hut is better than pizza from Papa John's. The detail matches the main topic, and it's also really yummy. Good luck!